All right, so this is the hardest one you're going to run into, and I'm going to make it a lot easier by having us rewrite them. So we have variables on all portions, the center and the two other sides that are being compared to the center solution. So since we have those variables all there, we're going to be breaking it apart. So there's no way to solve this together, but we are going to write two separate inequalities to solve. So it's all together. We do know it's an and. And the part that shares is this middle part. So like the first statement is 4b plus 18 is less than or equal to negative 12b minus 14. And we stop at that other inequality symbol. So 4b plus 18 is less than or equal to negative 12b minus 14. So then once again, that middle part is the part they share. So the rest, or your other inequality, is going to be negative 12b minus 14 is also less than or equal to 14 minus 5b. So once breaking it apart, it shouldn't look as intimidating. I mean, it's a lot of work, but it's nothing really new. The only new part was breaking it apart. So we have variables on both sides. So I'm going to add 12b to both sides. We end up with 16b plus 18 is less than or equal to negative 14. Now it's just a two-step inequality. Subtract 18 from both sides. 16b is less than or equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, negative 32. Divide both sides by positive 16, meaning we will not flip the symbol, and we get b is less than or equal to negative 2. So then you can do the exact same thing on the other side. You're going to get the variable on the same side. I'm just going to move my 5b over here because I want my variable first. It doesn't matter. You can do it the other way. That's just how I prefer to do it. All right. So we end up with negative 7b minus 14 is less than or equal to 14. Add 14 to both sides. I know I'm going kind of fast, but I mean, once you see them separately, this is just like the equations we were previously doing. So we have negative 7b is less than or equal to 28. Divide both sides by negative 7. Since we divided by negative 7, we are going to have to flip our inequality here. So we get b is greater than or equal to negative 4. So I'm going to write that statement together. So I can use and, but since they wrote it together, I want to write my answer together. I'll put b in the middle. B is less than or equal to negative 2. And it is greater than or equal to negative 4. And you could also write that as b is, let's see here, greater than or equal to negative 4 or less than or equal to negative 2. So remember, for that, you just want to look and see it's pointing at b, it's pointing at b, it's open to b, it's open to b. You want to make sure that it's written with the same inequalities pointing in the same directions. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this real quick and then we'll graph it. All right, so we've got our number line here. It's an and statement. So remember, we're looking for when it's true for both of them. All right, so I'm going to be closed on negative 2, and b is less than or equal to negative 2. Remember, if you want to separate them, that works. So less than or equal to negative 2, and b is greater than or equal to negative 4. So we're looking for where they overlap. So that is going to be our solution set.